I'm so excited about today. Hey Barbie, over here! Hi guys! Ready to make leggings? I'm ready. Then let's go! Tinkerbell? To make leggings, draw the outline of your doll legs on a piece of paper. Make space for the seams. Fold. Cut. And trace a pattern onto a piece of folded fabric. Pin in place. Cut. Glue the sides using fabric glue. Or sew using needle and thread. Turn inside out. And that's it. And this is how the pants look. For the tops, I'll be using a small piece of fabric and matching them with similar shoes. I want the red one. And you can decorate even further by using plastic gems, small bows, or whatever you want. I want the gold one. I want the blue one. Thanks, Miss Merve. You're welcome. Bye-bye, girls. Have fun.